Hello guys, Volume Day Trader, 3rd of July 2024, and in today's video we're gonna answer the question, what next with the Bitcoin? High, or maybe short, or maybe sideways, or long, okay, so that's why I'm gonna just start this video from weekly chart. And as you see, if you are first time here, maybe, or if you are not familiar with the technique we are using to determine the market movements, we are using the Wyckoff Wave indicators. Means that we we measure the traded volume on the waves. Okay, that give us a lot of information, and as you will be able to see right now, I will show you how to use this indicator in practice. And by the way, you can get anytime this indicator going to volumedaytrader.com, and you can subscribe. But by the way, let's just for now, let's concentrate on this chart and see what we can read. So I'm using weekly. Okay, and the last big volume action was the end of 2020, second half of 2022, and early beginning of 2023. We see a lot of volume traded on the waves on the weekly chart. And what's happened recently, guys? This is super important, because the market traded here 2 million on this wave that was exchanged. Someone was selling, someone was buying. In total, we have up wave, and we have a total number of traded Bitcoin 2.2 million, sorry. And another wave was, look at this, 1 million only. Below 1 million, and then 235,000. Okay, and another wave, which was when market tried to do, was almost 500,000, 450,000, but we couldn't break even this high or this high. And the next one, only 165. You see how the number is decreasing here. 899, 235, 165. And then the market, look at what's happening here, because this is very important. Market traded here at 899,000, and that was negative wave, like down wave, was the same number. So here market start, like the traders, where they start take a profit here. Then the market, look, did only 235,000, okay, here. And then look at what's happened. We have a down volume with a super high number. We cannot find, since we start the movement from when the market break here, we cannot find such big volume like we do have here. We cannot find such number on any down wave. Means that profit taking was here, profit taking was here, and demand here, lower demand, super low demand, and sell off. Okay, market trying to go higher, no, exactly here, no buyers, and the market responds. And at this moment, right now, we are on the support level. And the question is, what Bitcoin can do? Let's go then for daily chart, okay, and see what we have on the daily. If you don't want to have such numbers, so let's go to the setting of this indicator, and here is a volume divider. Let's divide it by 1,000, okay? So every number will be 1,000 here. So what we have, 88,000, we do have 10,000, 7,000, and see how the numbers accelerated here, 140,000, 60,000. Market tried to rebound here, but they couldn't. And the most important level, which I see at this moment on the chart, which can change the game, is if the market can go back again and close over this level, close around 65,000. That would be kind of the confirmation that the buyers step in again in this crucial moment, because right now, have a look, we are on the super big support level right now. We can even copy this or clone this line, and at this moment we are on the big support level, market reaction. But even the market react from here to here, there is no such big distance. You cannot say that we are still in an uptrend. That could change in the reaccumulation if we will see the market above 65. Let's say maybe we fakely go down and came back here and here. That would be the crucial decision to let's see maybe market reaccumulate. Those who took a profit here, they already was absorbed by buyers, and then we have another buyers who can take this chart or take these prices way higher. But for now, going for the weekly, look at this once again, going for the weekly, we do have a lack of buyers here, really lack of buyers. Here was a pin bar, kind of the pin bar, weekly pin bar, but nothing changed. Today, of course, we have a Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the market will change. But for me, a crucial moment is close above 65. If we don't close above 65, the market is very weak. If we manage to break or close below the 60,000, like 60,300, this below the week below this line, that is that seems that there is typical distribution, because we still have the pink glasses, and I think that all influencers still are claiming and Bitcoin 150, 200,000 this year. Yeah, maybe, but for now we studied the facts. There is no power. There is no sellers are taking the control at this moment. So we see it. We're just reading the facts. And when the market, if the market gonna change, if you still believe in a Bitcoin, this is not any advice, but what I would do, I wouldn't buy right now. I wouldn't buy right now. I would buy when the market maybe just go once again here and show me a big up wave and close above this level. That is, I would consider to buy Bitcoin again to go higher with this chart. But right now, that chart looks really, really weak. Look at here, 340,000, okay, 150,000, here 87,000, 42,000. It's getting lower and lower, and see how that numbers increase. 113,000, 159,000. Then the market try again. Look, try it again. Even here, the market put a lot of efforts, like a lot of efforts to go high, but we couldn't manage. And then the market responds here, 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 and look at here, okay? So sellers at this moment control the chart. And if, let's say, because still a lot of people is sitting with Bitcoin on the market, they they sitting on Bitcoin, they still have a hope for 150, but I can just imagine that kind of the panic if we will break, let's say, this level, and start again going below 60,000. So those kind of the people will try to, of course, cash out the position, because guys, to cash out, even someone bought here, okay, or bought here, doesn't matter. Just you bought maybe here, or maybe here, or maybe here. It doesn't matter. You still have virtual profit. If you don't go on the market and put on sale your Bitcoin and press the button sell, you do not have a profit. That kind of the profit is virtual, okay? So you need to sell to get a profit. And what I can imagine that even ETFs or many other financial institution, do you think that they want to pay right now 62,000 or 61 or 65,000 for your Bitcoin? Do you think that let's say the street who manage the Bitcoin right now, the ETFs will be the other side of the market? Of course not. They want to buy cheap. like those kind of the guys with like incredible big wallets. They want to buy cheap and sell you high price. But at this moment, there is no such scenario. So if I'm, let's say, someone put a gun to my head, maybe like, and ask me to make the decision what to do, I wouldn't buy. I would, let's say, sell. But I'm not doing any action on the Bitcoin, to be honest. I always do analysis, buy or sell or stay away, but never like, oh, so maybe buy, maybe sell. No, I will consider to buy the Bitcoin again when the market shows me the lack of sell off here and a big up movements on the lower time frame, like maybe 60-minute chart, 4-hour chart, and we will close above this level. That would be the sign that the market come back, that buyers come back again to the market. But right now, sellers control it. So if we will take this as a distribution, so at least it's supposed to lead us to that level, or even a bit lower if we count the down move from the point and feature chart. So I'm staying out of the market to be very like clear with you, and waiting if the market goes here above, or if the market will be definitely lower. There are some assets, even I feel they're gonna go short. I don't want to be short, okay? Let's say on Forex, if there is like some signals or trading the currency to go up, to go down, then you can execute. Same like trading the equity. I have a very low number to bet against the company, means that I am short on the equity. I am sometimes, but it's like a really low number of transaction within a year when I am just short on the market and betting against some company. So I prefer, and Bitcoin is one of the such kind of the, let's say, equity or asset that I'm not gonna go short, maybe on the some kind of the meme coins, when the main index, what I take Bitcoin as the index. If the Bitcoin is going lower, so maybe I can switch or for, let's say, some shit coins, and then with leverage we can bet short, but never Bitcoin itself. Okay, thank you very much. Visit our website volumedaytrader.com for more, and also look at the links there. We do have a forum which is under the domain school.com. You can find us there also under the Volume Day Trader name. We do have a nice chat and updates, and also on TradingView you can find us here. But the most important is wherever you see this video, subscribe us and follow us. Thank you. Bye bye. And stay, of course, stay safe on the market.